Hi there, it's Scott Milligan here with SkipperBud's in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here we have one of our Barletta Cabrio 22QCs in matte black with the blacked out rails. This boat is a QC, so it's got the two captains layout. I'll show you that here in just a second as we walk on in. It does have docking lights on the front of the boat. And here you can see the QC layout or a center walk-through layout where you can walk right through the center of the pontoon. Nice big couches in the front here. They do have armrests on each one. You got cup holders that you can kind of move throughout the boat. It does come with the table that you can pop up, which is very nice if you're out and about and want to put some food out, or we have a dog with, you get the dog some shade. It does have a nice doggy door here. Pull out for food and water. And it's got the doggy dock view, so you can actually see through the front of the boat, which actually comes in handy for the dogs, but also as you're docking the boat, you can actually see the dock a little bit easier. As you can see, there's armrests on both loungers. Going back through, this does have high back helm chairs. And here we get to the helm. It's a very ergonomical helm, lots of leg room down below. Boat is equipped with smart gauge, so you can see the engine data there. This one has got the Lowrance Hook 5 for fish finder slot basic GPS. Another cup holder down below. This does have the power bimini. There's your power bimini button right there. And there's a lockable kind of like glove box right there. So if you're stopping somewhere and need to throw some valuables in it. Moving towards the stern, you get two nice big loungers, another cup holder. That can go in the seats, or again, it can slide in this little spot right here. And moving towards the full stern here, a couple cup holders up top. It does have the extended deck, so it does give you a nice room in the back here. It does have the ski tow. This particular boat's equipped with a Mercury 115 command thrust engine. This is a pontoon, not a tri-toon. And it's got the fuel cell there. It's a 24-gallon fuel cell, so plenty of gas to get you through the weekend or through a couple weeks for sure. And this boat here is actually rated for 10 people. So 10 of your friends get out and enjoy your time on the water. So there you have it. That's our Barletta 2022 Barletta QC Cabrio. Very nice boat. If you have any further questions or interest, please give us a call.